Today's sip is going to be a Shiraz Viognier blend. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And I think we're doing that. I'm getting some decent feedback. I appreciate all the love and the comments. People are getting engaged. This is exciting. It's fun. Fun for me, at least. Today, we are going to do a sip. We're going back to Australia. Hopefully, we're redeeming ourselves from the 2018, the last 2018 Australian wine we drank. This is a 2018 Yering Station Shiraz Viognier from the Yarra Valley. So Shiraz, also known as Syrah, right, is typically or can be blended. In the Northern Rhone, right in the Rhone, they blend Syrah with Viognier, which may seem like an unlikely pair, but when you add a small amount of the white grape Viognier to a Shiraz or Syrah wine, it lightens the wine up and gives it more, aromatics, and that's what's happening here. So this wine, if I didn't know what was in this wine, I would not have said it was a Syrah, because the Viognier definitely comes through on the nose, right? There's a floral, almost like a potpourri type of a vibe to this nose, right? Not that it would trick you into like it being something lighter like a Beaujolais or a Pinot Noir, but it definitely, when you get dark black cherries and a floral potpourri, perfumey type note, you're wondering. I was wondering, like, what is this, right? It's a really pretty nose. It smells like it's going to be light on your palate and easy to drink. There's really nice acid. There's a little bit of tannins. It's, the black fruit is there, right? Almost, those black cherries almost turn into a little bit of, they have a few red cherries mixed in there, right? And that kind of goes to the lightening of the palate. There's also a surprising, almost lemon peel note in here, which is very cool for a red wine, because I would not have expected that. I support this wine. I would buy it again. I got this via lastbottlewines.com. There is a link in the description, or you can get a few bucks off, but I'm guessing, since their wines are generally on closeout, you're not gonna be able to find this one there. But have a look. Australian wines, Shiraz Viognier combination, 98% Shiraz, 2% Viognier. Worth a try, worth exploring. I'll see you next time. Cheers, folks.